0 divided by 2025 equal to what? The answer is 0. Let me explain. 0 divided by 25. This is division statement. For every division statement, there is a related multiplication statement. Okay, you can. This is dividend. This is divisor, and this is quotient. Divisor times quotient equal to dividend. This is the divisor times quotient here, what equal to divisor 0. Now this is the related multiplication statement for this division statement. Consider consider what times 2025 gives you 0. Let's say 0. 0 times 2025 equal to 0. This 0 and this 0 is similar, that is equal. So answer is 0. If you consider 1 times 2025 equal to what? Of course 2025. So 2025 is not 0. So we have only one answer, which is 0. So 0 is our quotient or answer.